Why hello, it's me, MrSasaki, and guess what? We're talking about bow holds today and some bow exercises to get that bow hold to be a-okay. Alright, so here we go. We're going to start from the basic to the obscene. Okay, you got to see this last one because it's a challenge. Okay, you'll see me squirm a little bit. Here we go. Starting at the beginning, we have our thumb and middle finger and what I call the sock puppet or shadow puppet. You see that? And then we're going to draw it into a flat fist. So let's look at it from different points of view, straight on and sideways. You see that flat fist? So what this does is it gives us flexibility so we can do cool things like this with our bow. Okay, articulation gives us that extra little bit when we need on an up bow and a down bow. Collé, yes, really, really awesome. All right, another really basic one to do is middle finger and thumb together, and I call this bunny rabbits. You see, like that, a little like shadow puppet kind of idea, and we can do a little bit of a nibble, nibble, nibble. All right, just basic flexing. We've just got to get these things moving. Okay, here we go. Oh, let's do the first one with the bow. So we're going to do windmills or windshield wipers. Pretend that you have a doorknob in front of you and you're just going to turn it like this, okay? But we're going to put the bow in place there instead of the doorknob. And here we go. We're going to turn. So think about this like you're like a giant face of a clock and you're just kind of have a second hand that's kind of tracing its way around. The smoother, the slower, the better. Okay, that means you're really going to get control with those bow changes, string changes when you're bowing. Okay. So we got that. Time for everyone's favorite, pinky push-ups. We're going to be exercising this back muscle here, okay? Watch this. I'm going to drop the pinky there, or drop the bow, pinky relaxes, and then it's going to flex. Look at that, pinky push-up. Classic. It's a good workout for the pinky because we never use these muscles really. Alright, and so our thumb is going to be the fulcrum or the axis point. So let's do some pinky push-ups here. Okay. That's always a good one. Figure eights. This one's a fun one. So what I'm going to do is draw a figure eight with the tip of the bow. Okay, and what that does is it radiates a bigger 8 on the opposite end at the tip. So let's do that. So you'll see it. See how big that figure 8 is? Alright, and so here's the tracing of it. Look at that. Okay, more difficult, reverse direction. Let's give that a try. Ooh, yeah, that one's trickier. Okay, alright. Ready for the extreme? Okay. This one looks easy, but this is a pain. It's called caterpillar. So we're going to let the bow kind of drop down. See the fingers like a caterpillar? Okay, that's the easy part. Now let's draw the bow back up. This one is a challenge, let me tell you. Especially when you get around here. Ooh, come on, come on. Ooh, I barely made it. There it is. Okay, so give that a try. The idea is, with all of these exercises, we want to keep the contact with all of the fingers as much as possible, okay? So if you do that, you can do the cool party trick that Primrose used to do, which is no thumb. Woo, woo, woo. Look at that. So that means we have as much contact as possible that we don't even need the thumb. Look at that. All right. So I hope this is helpful and maybe even fun, but give you something to do when you just want to exercise with your bow. All right. See you next time.